is another new one off the new album. They're more new ones that you know. Well, you might know. You'll know. The ones at the front of the t-shirts will know. Get a bit of feedback on the guitar.
And a little less mandolin and then we'll shut up slow.
2. We wanted everything to come our way by this very day. We wanted stars so bright to see the lightning before it strikes. Though we passed 100,000 miles, still I stand, still I stand. Photographs of 20 months ago, I know we can, still think we can. Here I am, here I am, I will stand. So hungry my heart, bewildered my eyes, I'm tumbling down, and it's eating me alive, it's eating me alive. We crave the crying out, the silent screams, a monster loud. Chew through the ropes and hope that we don't choke on the words we spoke. A cunning plan to blind the world outside. Open your eyes, open your eyes. Break our sails and take the urge to rage and fight with fire. We fight with fire. Cry it out, cry it out, I will shout. I'm being consumed, the thoughts have overflown, my mind overgrown, and it's eating me alive, it's eating me alive.